Oranges are vibrant, tangy, and sweet. They're a delicious fruit that many enjoy, especially during autumn and winter months. Right now, markets are overflowing with them. But I'm sure many of my friends and family are already a little tired of eating them the usual way. What most people don't realize, however, is that orange peels we usually discard actually have plenty of valuable uses. I was shocked when I found out just how many I had wasted before. So today, I want to share this with you right away. Watch carefully and see how I make use of them. After this, you'll never want to throw them out again. First, peel the oranges and collect the skins in a large bowl. Fill the bowl with water until the peels are submerged. We all know fruits are often sprayed with chemicals, so some pesticide residue may remain. Simply rinsing with plain water is not enough to clean them thoroughly. This is where salt comes in. Add a spoonful to the bowl and stir until fully dissolved. Let the peels soak for about 10 minutes. Remember, longer soaking doesn't remove more residue. It can actually cause the peel to absorb toxins back into the skin. 10 minutes is the ideal time. Now rinse each peel carefully by hand. This step helps release dirt more effectively. There's also another benefit. Salt soaking reduces the bitterness of the peel. Place the cleaned peels face down so they can drain quickly. Once dry, slice the peels into thin strips. Many of us have heard of dried tangerine peel being used in traditional remedies. In fact, dried orange peel is commonly sold and is easy to prepare yourself. Traditional Chinese medicine values orange peel that has been aged for years, calling it tangerine peel. The older it gets, the more potent and expensive. Fresh peel, if dried properly, is also very beneficial, but it's best not to use it raw or half-dried because its medicinal strength is weaker. Be sure to cut the slices evenly. Arrange them neatly on a plate once done. Now prepare some ginger. Older ginger varieties are best because they have a stronger aroma. Slice them thinly as well. Different gingers vary in flavor. Some are very hot and pungent, others are mild and pale, and some fall right in between. Choose whichever type you prefer. Place the ginger slices aside on a plate. At this point, we have one plate of peel and another of ginger. Heat up a pan on high heat. Add the orange peel strips first. Keep stirring continuously. Don't let them sit still, otherwise the taste will turn bitter. After 10 to 11 minutes, the peels will shrink as their moisture evaporates. Then add the ginger slices. Reduce the heat to medium and continue stirring. If we had added both together, the ginger would burn quickly while the peels still held water. By staggering the timing, both can dry evenly. After about 10 more minutes, they'll be nearly dry together. Switch to low heat and finish roasting slowly. Some might ask why we don't just soak the peel in water. The reason is that fresh orange peel contains volatile oils not suitable to drink raw in large amounts. Plus, even with soaking, pesticide residues may remain. By stir-frying, we evaporate those oils and create a safer, more effective ingredient. After about 16 minutes on low, both peel and ginger are dry and fragrant. Turn off the heat and let them cool naturally. When cooled, transfer them to a clean, dry jar. It's very important the jar has no oil or moisture. You can even steam it beforehand to sterilize it. This step ensures your mixture can be stored for up to half a year without spoiling. Whenever you want a drink, take a spoonful of the dried mix and add it to a cup. Mix in some brown sugar for sweetness. Pour boiling water over it and stir well. Do not use lukewarm water, since only boiling water releases the full nutrients. Once it cools slightly, your tea is ready to enjoy. Orange peel helps reduce coughs and phlegm. Ginger and brown sugar warm the body. On cold winter days, a cup of this tea will bring instant comfort. Drink it daily, and you'll find colds harder to catch. The sweetness of the brown sugar balances out the bitterness, making it pleasant for both kids and adults. It's truly a family-friendly drink. Try preparing it at home, store it ahead of time, and you'll always have a remedy on hand. If you find my video useful, please support me by liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.